Welcome to Music Business Module, 1 month long journey that will provide musicians and artists like yourself with an essential knowledge to understand the world of music industry. You see, many artists find themselves in a situation where they struggle to monetize their work or end up signing a deal where they don't get fairly compensated. We have all heard countless stories about this in the industry, and it's a problem that we need to address. This module will provide you with the knowledge and the tools to protect your rights and understand how the industry operates. We'll dive into essential topics like copyrights, music publishers, record labels, music supervisors, artist managers, and different type of royalties. We will also explore the world of sync music, understanding how your music can be licensed for film or a TV show or a commercial and other media. Additionally, we'll dive into legal aspects of releasing covers and remixes. By the end of the module, you will be equipped to negotiate a fair deal to protect your intellectual property and collect the royalties you rightfully deserve. It's time to take control of your music career and break free from the stories of an unpaid artist. Let's get started.